enough. I can hear my microphone working. Okay. The content of this meeting is being a third party. Hi, Dave.
Hello.
I see you.
I don't see you.
Your hair is white.
Yeah.
Did you see her?
I don't see nobody else. I see Michelle now.
You look like your dad. I see that face.
Okay. Just wait to see what it's doing.
I like that background. Of the Northern Lights.
Yeah.
Okay, do we have somebody who's on another,
That is Rebecca.
it's Rebecca on, and I have two Rebecca Bartrams on here. And somebody is getting a lot of feedback on their microphone. And I can see Rebecca Bartram's name, but y'all need to enable your video on your device, please. Mr. Oliver, you are muted.
Yes.
I'm muted?
No, they had me muted. I'm gonna mute my phone real quick just so I can see if I can hear you, Aunt Becky. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I'm getting a bunch of feedback, which means that somebody's on two separate devices in the same house or something that near each other, so that's causing feedback.
Hang on a second.
Oliver, if you have them on the phone, you probably want to go ahead and cancel that call because I think that's what's causing the feedback.
Okay. What about now?
Now he's fine. He's not getting feedback.
Okay,
But Rebecca.
I need for Ms. Bartram to enable her video.
Hey. Hey, Becky. Down at the bottom left corner of the screen, it says audio and video.
Yeah.
Do you see those? Do they have a red line through them?
Video has a red line through it.
Okay, click it. Click on video.
Okay, and where is Miss Ledoux?
Miss Ledoux.
Sharon Ann Ledoux?
She's in the hospital in Baytown right now.
Okay, well then is Beatrice Nougier here?
No.
Okay, well, who are our two disinterested witnesses?
Rebecca Bartram and Jim Oliver.
Okay.
Hey, Becky. Down at the bottom where it says audio and video at the bottom left of the screen. You need to click the video and take the red line off and enable your video. I just heard you for a minute.
The video.
Showing up on the.
Okay, I just heard you through the computer there for a moment. but you're logged in 2 different times.
When
You need to log out of one of them or close one of the windows.
See,
Ms. Bertram, are you logged on from 2 separate devices?
No, it still got you logged in on one.
Okay.
If it's a touch screen, she'll need to touch at the bottom left-hand corner so that she can see the camera and mute icons, audio icons. If it's not a touch screen, she'll need to scroll down to that area with her mouse in order to be able to see them.
oh, my,
Okay, well, let me do this. I have a bunch of contested hearings. So Mr. Oliver, if you'll raise your right hand, please. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Murphy, why don't you go ahead and question this witness, and then I will go offline a little while and allow you the opportunity to see if you can resolve the issues with
Okay.
the video,
Thank you,
and
Your Honor.
audio of the individual. So why don't you question Mr. Oliver right now?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Oliver, can you state your name, please?
William David Oliver.
And how are you familiar with the decedent in this case, Marion Duncan Oliver Jr.?
He's my father, or was my father.
He was your father. And is it true that he passed away on July 3rd, 2022 in Port Arthur, Jefferson County, Texas at the age of 76?
Yes,
And it has not been 4 years since he passed. Is that correct?
correct.
And Mr. Oliver had a fixed domicile and place of residence in Jefferson County at the time that he passed. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And as far as you know, did the decedent leave a will?
Not to my knowledge. I haven't found anything.
Did you make a search for a will and you were unable to find one?
That's correct.
And a necessity for administration of this estate exists in that there is property that needs to be transferred. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And we have filed waivers. All distributees have agreed to appoint you as independent administrator of this estate. Is that correct?
Correct.
And have you ever been convicted of a felony?
Yes.
again?
I don't know. I can't do that.
Okay.
What was it?
Now I get my ex-girlfriend had some marijuana in the house at the time, and she was gone, and I got nailed with it. That was back in like '94 or something like that. So it was possession of
How much marijuana was it?
Lord, I couldn't tell you. I didn't even know it was in my house at the time.
What year was that? I mean, where were you living at the time?
Iowa.
Iowa.
It was in like '94. It was basically I got probation because I've never, had any drug convictions or anything like that before or since.
Did you
Yes,
are you sure it was a felony?
they told me it was.
Okay, do you know whether you got adjudicated or deferred unadjudicated probation?
I don't understand what that means. I know I had 3 years of probation that I did.
Hey, Ms. Murphy, let me do this. Let me allow you the opportunity to check into that.
Okay, thank you.
In the meantime, you can get him to sign the proof of death and other facts. You can update me on the conviction, and you can find out how to let me see what my schedule is today. Okay, I've got meetings all afternoon, but I can be back at 1 p.m. or at 2:15 to complete this hearing.
Okay, let's do 1 PM, Your Honor, if that works for you.
Okay, we'll work on 1 PM.
Okay.
And
thank you.
I am not going to, I'm going to allow the attorney ad litem to appear via Zoom or otherwise. So, all righty, thank you.
Should we just log back onto the same link at 1 PM?
Yes,
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
all right, take care.